Are you tired of your regular green tea? Try some ginger cinnamon tea. It is easy to make and full of nutrition. In this video, I will share how you can easily make ginger cinnamon tea, its benefits, and its side effects, so be sure to stick to the end of the video. What is ginger cinnamon tea? Ginger cinnamon tea is a powerful antioxidant-rich beverage made from cinnamon bark and ginger. It is easy to make, and you can customize the flavor as per your liking. Let's see how it is made. Recipe: ingredients. To make cinnamon tea, you will need 2 cups of water, a stick of cinnamon, a teaspoon of honey or maple syrup, half-inch ginger slice. Method 1. Take a saucepan and add water to it. Turn on the flame and bring it to a boil. Add your cinnamon stick into it along with ginger. Let it boil for 5 minutes or until the water is reduced to 1 cup. Cover the lid and let it simmer. Once slightly cooled, add in your sweetener and enjoy. Method 2. If you're using kettle or a microwave, then use this method. Microwave 1 cup of water. Add cinnamon and ginger to the hot water. Cover it with a coaster and let it sit for almost 10 minutes. Remove the coaster and add in your sweetener. Serve warm and enjoy. Benefits of ginger cinnamon tea. Ginger cinnamon tea offers so many health benefits. It lowers bad LDL cholesterol. It maintains blood pressure. It is great for regulating blood sugar levels in diabetic patients. This tea promotes good sleep. It helps you achieve glowing skin due to its higher antioxidant levels. It has been an effective cold remedy for ages. This tea prevents cognitive disorders like Alzheimer's disease. Ginger cinnamon tea fights inflammation and reduces pain caused by arthritis. It boosts your metabolism and helps you lose weight. It protects against viral and fungal diseases. It soothes period cramps. It also promotes good heart health. Side effects of ginger cinnamon tea. Ginger cinnamon tea is a herbal concoction, therefore it does not cause any potential side effects. But if used in excess or you develop a cinnamon allergy, it might do some damage to your body. Drinking too much tea may lower your blood sugar and you will feel dizzy. It has coumarin, which is related to a higher risk of liver damage and cancerous diseases. Thanks for watching. For more health-related content, stay tuned.